All right, what's up? What's up? I'm gonna go over my trade I took today. So it's gonna be short and sweet. I just added this bubble thing on Sierra charts. Let me take it out because I wasn't using that when it was up. So let me just see what I saw, and then I'll show you what I saw after. So what I was doing, I was trading on the 5 minute chart by accident. So here you see this is a 20 tick chart, and I see it cleaner. So I set up my levels here. See, I set up my levels and it looks nice. So. Um, it was around here, this general area. Okay, so take a look. Chart crosshair. So this general area. I set my lines with help of the visual with the VPOC or no the VRVP. It's hidden right now. Watch. So I put the lines here. The lines. It was around here. So I put. I was seeing the valleys too. So um, let's see. I use this for the lows and the highs, whatever. And then I also have this volume profile. I was kind of seeing the levels on here too, catching the 5748. Let's see, 5746. This area is 5748, 5746. That's where I thought to take profit. Okay. Because I saw this go up, go down, reject up here, reject this. So in my head, I said it's going to either do two things. It's either going to go up or go down. So I'm trying to make it simple and I'm trying to make it more simple. So let's go through it. So what I saw, it come up, it kind of tested that. So I kept it there, came up, came down, rejected, came up, but didn't go up all the way. So I set a line up here, right here, or right here. I think I set it right there. Yeah, because I wasn't up. I started seeing the market around like 8:30 ish. So I didn't catch this move right here, even though I did see it, and I did. This was the move I set where I was like, oh, okay, this if it hits here and it doesn't break that, I'm gonna look for shorts. And look what it did. It shorted all the way down to the 20s, 5720 to 5759 to almost 40 fucking ticks, 40 points. Look, 61 to 20. Bro, I wouldn't have got in here for sure, but look, it wanted to break up. Nah, this right here, close right there. I could have got in right here, or it got here. It went up, rejected. I could have entered around there, even here. Put my stop right there. Let's see what that would have been. Put my stop, see conservative here, enter here, and then even just targeted that. That's a three. That's a 3R. You know, if I would have targeted that 7R, all the way down here, that's 9R. Man, that's what's up. So, anyways, the first trade I did take, I got stopped out, and the only reason was because I entered a little too early, and I got into either too soon or yeah, I kind of fucked up because I didn't set my stop loss too high. I set it right here. Watch. So I set my stop here to this area, and again, the reason I think I would have got the reason I got stopped out, I think because um I was on a I was on a instead of a 5 minute chart, I was on a I was on a let's see. Yeah, I was on a 5 minute chart instead of a five range. So look how it looks right here. Okay. So think I entered around here. See, reject. Or I entered. Where the fuck did I enter? Let me see at what time. I entered at the 1 minute. Let's see the 5 minute on this end. Oh, okay, okay. I see. Cause look at the one. Look how the 1 minute looks. Okay. So I entered over here. I entered here at 9:30, bro. At 9:30. So first time I think I've done that. So I saw that it rejected. This area wasn't pushing up. I entered. I put my stops to right here, to this level, where I should have put it above this. Bro, that would have been fucking clean. But anyways, I didn't. So I got stopped out here, but I saw that the footprint chart was still good. You know, look at the 9:30 footprint chart. Well, this footprint chart is the I was looking at it on the 5 minute chart again. Watch, let me show you real quick. Okay, 30. So this is what I saw on the footprint. I saw it was going down. So I entered like around here by 6:30 where it opened. You know, I was like, "Fuck, it's going." So I entered here. I put my stops. I think I entered here. I put my stops over here, and it just shot. It shot down for a little bit. Then it shot right back up. But then it was holding this level, and I saw that. So I got in again. The next play I took, I got in, and watch. How do I fucking do that? Okay, watch. So I got in again right away, and I don't usually do that. I usually like to wait, but it was just the candlesticks were looking good. So I entered in this candle. I held and I got out 9:37, 9:35, 9:35. So in this candle, I held and then I got out when it reached around here, and oh man, it was fucking close. Price. I got out. It says at 5,688, so 5,630, 5,638, 5,638. Yeah, I got out around 638, 33, probably like around. Yeah, I think I got out around here, bro. You know, but let's see how that looks with the. I use range. I do 20. I set all this up so it's kind of easier. This is what I use on a daily. So yeah, I might have been using. I don't remember what I was using, bro. But I might have been using this shit. But anyways, so I got in here. Oh no, the second play. My bad. 33. Yeah, I saw it go up. Got stopped out. 33. I got in around here. Uh, 96. So hold on. I like to keep the calculator. So what I do is it says I got in at 596. Yeah. So it says I got in at 5696. Subtract 50. Subtract 50. 5646. That's not right. Oh yeah, around here. Probably did, bro. Yeah. See, it's just weird that the candlestick and the range bar it's kind of different. So it says I got in here. Got in around here. And I let it just ride, bro. I let it ride. I saw that it tapped this area. This was blue before. And um I got out when I saw this go up and I was like, oh fuck, it's gonna continue to go up. But it held for a while. Held for a while and I should have kept holding it. But now look, when I turn on this bubble, when the large volume trade indicator, um when I turn that on, I see a little bit more. So I saw that buyers were heavy there, and look, buyers were what is that? Chart settings. Um. So yeah, bid volume. That's bid volume. Bid volume was good, so it kept going. Um, kept going, and then look, boom, kept going. How what I should have done with that bid volume, what I would have seen is this hold and fucking been like, oh okay, boom, sellers came in, let it push up. Okay, it pushed up. If it holds to here, I'll close. But um, look, it opened, closed, and then it opened, went up a little, and just instantly started dumping, and then boom, went again, came down, solid candle, and this got in, came up, and it's just oh no, let's see, uh, yeah, got in, came came down, came all the oh no, opened, came down, and went all the way up. But look, it was a lot of volume, bro. So next time with I think with this indicator, I should be good to see plays like this, especially when it's plays like that. So like look at here for instance. Um, I would have seen it like, oh dang, okay, sellers are gonna push it down. Oh no, but green's here, this one's here. I could enter here. Boom, enter. Seen this? Let it ride. Probably closed out here. You know, there's just so many plays you could take. And in the moment, yeah, it's different. In the moment, it's fucking, it's more, it's different, you know. But with all these with order flow, I've just noticed that it's way better, and I'm learning this. This is like my first week doing this, and you know, I'm just getting better and better, bro. Like it's just gonna be better. If I get a green day tomorrow, the week is set, you know. So I'm down this week, but today, the losses are getting less and less. So it's good, you know. I took I took I took 4 trades today, which is a little bit more than normal, and uh, but it's a small loss. Like imagine 3 losing trades. That's 500 each. That's 1,500. I came up on one, which is 800, but one I kind of broke even. I closed it to broke even, but they charged me $32. But either way, from 1,500 to 247. You know, look, a thousand, 1,200. Yeah, from 1,500, which look, 500, 500. If I would have lost this one, then fuck it. But came up, boom, took one more trade. It was technically break even, and then put another one, and I went against a trade right here. But anyways, look, I had my fucking 14R, bro. I had my stops, crazy shit, but small wins, bro. Small wins. Let me see if I can see the on Trade Locker if I still have that thing up. That'd be good. Cause yeah, man, it's a slow process, and I'm learning, and I'm doing my best, but and I'm learning how to see the how to use the time charts, how to use the things. So order flow. So no, I don't have it saved on my. Let's see. I took a picture on it on Discord. Let me see if I can pull it up real quick just so you can take a look at it. Uh, yeah, so it's cool. You know, I'm learning. I love doing this. I love it. So it's gonna be hard, and it's gonna be something that I have to work on and really, really fucking make it something. You know what I mean? So let me see. I took a screenshot of it. So I thought I sent it to the homie, but let's see. Well, here it is. Oh no, that's not. Excuse me, that's not it. It is this right here. Yeah. So this was it. Got in. 10:10. Was this it? Let's see. Playbook or executions. No, 9:35. That's not it. What was that shit taken? Oh, okay. Yeah, it's the wrong one. That's the one I fucked up on. But yeah, see that's it right there. That's the one I took. Most recent. Not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Yeah, I didn't take a bigger fucking picture of it. Yeah, see, it was right next candle. Got in, got out. It kept just shooting. It just this fucking scared me right here. Boom, boom. I should have held it, but um, I should have held it. But it's cool. It's cool. I got a nice little reward for it, for standing my ground, holding my ground. You know, it was good. Let's see. What is the stats? Planned R58. Oh, it's because I'm telling you, bro, the stop loss was like right up here. I got in. It was small. It was itty bitty titty committee. But yeah, let's see. 3 minutes, bro. 3 minutes. 800. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Today I learned a lot, bro. So I learned a lot. So one is to have the indicators, in the right form. I added these bubbles. Uh, I saw that I changed these bubbles to like kind of like lower, not lower. Watch, let me see. I'll show you if you're interested in this. These are my settings. You can pause, rewind, whatever. Look, and I saw this all on YouTube, bro. So it's self-taught, and in a way, I learned it on YouTube. So, uh, yeah. Look, indicators. It shows 30, so it has like plus and minus and all that shit. I don't really get it too much, but I just like how it looks, and it kind of like I'm learning like I see this as learning a language, and these are like, oh, okay, the cuss words, like the cool shit, like, oh yeah, like I can tweak it a little, and I guess I know what it means. So it's gonna and look at these indicators, the positive and negative imbalances. Oh man, this is see, this hits all the time. See, so once I saw that, boom, I could have saw this, entered around here, and fucking just let it at least hit to that. But hey, anyway, look, that if I would have got in into here, say I got in there, conservative, bro. Nah, yeah, that's got in here, push down, sell, push down, enter here, put my stop. That's 20, call it 29. Let's see, risk to reward, put it down here, 29. Target this. What is that? I can't even see that shit. I think that's like a 2.5. Yeah. 3, 2, 2 point. Oh no. Yeah. If say if I would have targeted here, 3.15. Oh, I could do that. Say it conservatively, bro. I would have targeted here. 2.8. 2.85. I would have been clean. Here. But look, it just kept going. And I would have targeted this to be more realistic. But man, I'm excited for the future, bro. I'm excited because, oh man, is this order flow stuff? Is like it's the business, bro. It's the business. So it's not end all be all. And the homie was telling me this. he's all look at the structure still. He's a, why didn't you, is this fucking today? Is this it? No. Yeah, no, that's not it. It's, oh, yeah, it's right here, right? Is this unit? Yeah, okay, there you go. Okay, look, the homie called me out, and I'm really grateful for him. He kind of like slapped me out of it, right? So he's a look, like it's clear, like resistance, And I sent him a picture, and he was like, "Bro, like what? Like, are you serious?" And I was like, "Man, like it kind of fucked me up, But watch, right here. So he said he liked this. Wait, no, that's not it. That's not the picture. Let me see the picture real quick. Oh, is that one it? Yeah. Yeah, see that's the play right there. 2.59. All that. Fuck, that was a nice play, bro. That's where I that's where I what that's where I put
You
it.
just set whatever threshold you want, and it's just going to
Wait,
show
what the
you
fuck?
any trades that.
Oh, my bad, my bad. Okay, Discord. Look, this is where I put my stops. Look, stop over there. A little more conservative. It was less than 4 points, bro. And then so I said 4 points for 9 points. That's not bad, It's three. It says 2.59, but I got out. Right here, so which was a smaller risk to reward. Let me see, the risk to reward that I got was taking into account. Let me see. It was 801. So 801, 15 time. Oh, divided by 500. So the 1.6 are light work. Yeah, I mean, but it would have hit. It would have hit my 3R even more. But anyways, it's good to kind of see. Oh, back to what he was telling me. He said to see the structure. Like, why didn't I see the structure? There was a clear break and retest, and that would have hit nicely. But I told him that I was like, fuck, like it kind of fucked me. It kind of fucked me up because I was like, dang, like that's true. It was there. My levels were there, and you know, let me see. Yesterday, that was yesterday. Yesterday, my only friend. Yesterday. So I'm scrolling down my page to see if where he called me on that shit, bro. And oh, okay, here. So this is how I mark my levels in the morning. This is how I mark my levels in the morning. And he said, he's like, oh, I would have liked. Wait, what did he say? Hold on. I don't want to share my shit with you. I like the break and retest on 46. He said, okay. So 46 is right here. Look how it broke, tested, rejected, came up, tested that line, uh, held for a little bit, boom, rejected. I could have got in there. That would have been nice. Yeah, but see me, I see this. I'm like, oh, I don't know. It might come back. But this is clean. This is struggling. And boom, got in, up. Came up, by this, boom, shot up. That was a clean play too. Oh. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, that's what he put. He said, yo, the break and retest. Talk uh so yeah, learning some more.